All right, so adding titles to this. Let me just put in a little bit of data for us, and I'll go over to this next one. All right, so just put in some data for us so that we have it. Now, to add titles to this, I'm gonna go up to the pencil up on the top there, and now you notice this brings me into the ability to edit this. I can change my chart type that I want. I like the scatter. I can change the legend, but I'm gonna change my title here. So the title for this one, this is Lab 0.01 graphing. Okay, hit update title, it works. Horizontal axis, well, this is my time, and then make sure you put a label on this. For this one, it should be time, and we can call it seconds, minutes, hours, days, years, whatever you want to use there. Left, or the y-axis, this should be a distance, and I'm going to say meters, feet, inches, whatever you want that to be, all right? Big key, hit the green check mark in the top left corner, then it saves it, all right? That's how you're able to edit the titles on this so that you can get titles on your axes and titles on the chart itself, all right? So that takes care of a bunch of points for us.